Good morning, students. So today we are going to learn nutrition in ruminants. Okay, we have already covered nutrition in humans. So today's topic is nutrition in ruminants. Now ruminant means there are some grass-eating or plant-eating animals such as cow, deer and goat. They have some special characteristics in terms of digestion. What is the special characteristics? Once they swallow grass or any plant, they can bring it back to their mouth, they retrieve it and again they can swallow it. Okay, only the grass eating animals like cow, deer and goat have this capacity. We the human beings do not have the capacity to bring back the swallowed food which goes to the stomach to our mouth. We do not have that capacity. Only the ruminants such as cow, deer and goat have that capacity. So why they are called ruminants? Because their stomach is divided into four parts. Rumen is the first chamber. Their stomach is divided into four different chambers. Rumen is the first chamber, reticulum is the second chamber, omasum is the third chamber, abomasum is the fourth chamber. So when they first eat grass or any plant substance, they do not chew it completely. थोड़ा सा चबाने के बाद वो क्या करता है, स्वेलो करता है. आफ्टर swallowing the food goes into the stomach. फिर stomach में there are four chambers or four parts: rumen, reticulum, omasum and abomasum. जो काउ और डियर वगैरह जो फूड खाते हैं, जो टेम्पोरली स्टोर रहता है कहाँ पे, rumen में. ओके, और rumen से it can bring back from the rumen the swallowed food again to their mouth for retrieving, फिर से चबाने के लिए, अच्छे से चबाने के लिए. ओके, तो फर्स्ट दिस इज व्हाई दे आर कॉल्ड rumen, because ruminants they have a special chamber rumen from which they can bring back the swallowed food again to their mouth. फिर से चबाएगा, पहले खाएगा, वो अच्छा से नहीं चबाता है इन द फर्स्ट टाइम. वो बहुत सारे क्वांटिटी में ग्रास खाएगा या हे खाएगा. हे मतलब हे मतलब जो राइस जब उगाते हैं राइस फील्ड में, जब राइस निकालने के बाद जो रहता है ना, दैट येलो कलर्ड जो काऊ वगैरह जो खाता है, जिसको खेर बोलते हैं हम, खेर, वही है हे. तो काउस मेनली ग्रास, हे, ये सब खाते हैं, प्लांट प्रोडक्ट्स. ओके, सो वी विल डिस्कस इट in details with the help of diagram. Okay, so let us move into the diagram first. Like just as human beings, every organism has definite steps for their digestion or nutrition. The first step is ingestion, food खाता है. Next, digestion, the ingested food जो डाइजेस्ट होता है, दैट इज प्रोसेस इज डाइजेशन. नेक्स्ट वी हैव एब्जॉर्प्शन. डाइजेशन होने के बाद जो न्यूट्रिएंट्स निकलता है, प्रोटीन्स, कार्बोहाइड्रेट, फैट्स, विटामिन्स, मिनरल्स, इट पासेस फ्रॉम द स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन टू आवर ब्लड, and through blood it passes to different organs of our body. That is called absorption. And assimilation is what? The through the digested food जो डाइजेस्ट हुआ है, वो हमारे बॉडी के डिफरेंट प्रोसेस में कैसे हमारा बॉडी उसको यूटिलाइज कर रहा है, दैट प्रोसेस इज व्हाट? एसिमिलेशन. एसिमिलेशन इज नथिंग बट द प्रोसेस बाय द एसिमिलेशन इज द प्रोसेस थ्रू विच आवर बॉडी यूटिलाइजेस द डाइजेस्टेड फूड फॉर कैरिंग आउट डिफरेंट बॉडी फंक्शंस. ओके, नाउ लेट अस मूव हियर. The first step in ruminants. Okay, the first step will be the cow will chew the grass. The grass will move from the throughout the esophagus into the first chamber, and this is the first chamber. It is the rumen. You can see here. Okay, from the first chamber, the grass, the swallowed food can move again through this way. These red lines you can see. It again moves to the mouth. Then after chewing it again completely, the food again goes through the esophagus. Now first to the omesum, then to the intestine, then after digestion of the different substances such as proteins, fats, carbohydrates, the digested food, the undigested food then again is ejected by the cow in the form of feces. Feces मतलब जो गोबर होता है वो, that is called the feces. Animal excreta जो होता है, excretory जो substance होता है, that is the feces. First step was ingestion. Ingestion, the food is ingested with the help of tongue and chewed. Ruminants have sharp incisors and large molars to bite and chew grass. They also have a powerful jaw muscles. So ruminants have a powerful incisor teeth. Incisor teeth मतलब the front teeth that are used to bite and tear the food. उसको grass चबाना है, okay? पेड़ पौधा चबाना है उसको. It needs to cut the leaves, it needs to cut the grass, okay? So they have sharp incisor teeth. Then they have strong molar teeth to bite the or to chew the food that it has taken. Next step is digestion. After chewing once, the food passes from ये जो first जो chew करता है वो अच्छा से chew नहीं करता है. वो बहुत सारा foods, grass and leaves it will take in large amounts. It will swallow. It won't swallow thoroughly in the first process. It will वो ऐसे ही चबाएगा first. Then it will move to the rumen. Rumen is the temporary storage. Okay. It has 4 chambers. See, first chamber is rumen, second chamber reticulum, third omesum, fourth chamber is intestine, abomesum. Then rumen helps in storing the food in large quantity that has been quickly consumed. The food is partially digested here and is now called the cud. The first step, the food is not digested. rumen में कोई digestion नहीं होता है, यहाँ पे partially digestion होता है. जो rumen में कुछ bacteria and protozoas होते हैं जो the cellulose जो है in its food, grass और जो hay जो खाता है वहाँ पे जो cellulose होता है ना. What is cellulose? Cellulose is nothing but it is a form of glucose. Many बहुत सारा glucose एक साथ join होकर cellulose बनता है. ठीक है. So the partially digested food is called the cud. तो rumen में कोई complete digestion नहीं होता है, partially digestion होता है. जो carbohydrate है it breaks down into cellulose. Okay. The cellulose is broken down into the carbohydrate. Now again the food passes from the rumen to the mouth again. वो फिर से चबाएगा. Then there is one organ, reticulum, one chamber reticulum, and reticulum is the organ which is responsible for bringing back the food again into the mouth. So reticulum का काम क्या है? Reticulum का काम यही है जो फर्स्ट वो जो काउ जो फूड खाएगा rumen से वापस से वो it will bring back to its mouth for retrieving. Okay. Then चबाने के बाद पहले खाएगा, खाने के बाद it will come to rumen. Then reticulum will help that chewed food to go back again into the mouth. Then it will, after thorough chewing, अच्छे से चबाने के बाद chewing for the second time, then the food will again come into the intestine. Okay. Now omesum, there is one the third part. Omesum absorb excess water. जो water part होगा, जो वो जो food से आएगा या जो वो पानी जो पिएगा, जो those excess water is absorbed by the omesum. Next what we have, abomesum. The walls of abomesum secrete digestive juices. As you have seen, in case of humans there are many the food components are broken down into the simple parts by the digestive juices. So in case of cows also, or in case of ruminants also, the digestive juices helps in the digestion of different components of food like fats, carbohydrates, proteins, vitamins, minerals, etc. Next we have absorption. So absorption begins in the fourth chamber stomach. Stomach में absorption process शुरू होता है but complete नहीं होता है. Complete क्या होता है absorption process? In case of human also we have seen the absorption process is completed in the intestine, small intestine. Okay, so cow also has small intestine. It has two intestine, large and small intestine. The absorption process takes place in the small intestine. The food from the abomissum passes into the small intestine. जो अभी फोर्थ चेम्बर है एबोमिसम, एबोमिसम में से ये फूड होकर ये स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन तक आएगा. Then where it mixes with the secretion of the pancreas and the liver. Just as human beings have different types of digestive glands, pancreas, liver. Okay, so cows also have such types of digestive gland which secretes various digestive juices. Then most of the digestion of carbohydrates, proteins और जो fats होता है वो small intestine में digest होता है with the help of the various digestive juices which are secreted from the pancreas and the liver. Just as human beings, we have seen that in case of human beings there are several finger-like projection in the small intestine which we call them as villi. And villi क्या करता है? It increases the surface area of absorption. Villi increases the surface area of absorption ताकि जो digestion हुआ है, digestion होने के बाद जो components मिला है, fat, proteins, vitamins, minerals, ये सब हमारे body में जा सके through our blood. Okay, so intestine में कुछ structures है finger like projections, those we call as villi. So through villi the digested food flows into our blood, and from blood it is transported to different parts of our body. Next, the small intestine leads to the large intestine. अभी small intestine में absorption होने के बाद it will the undigested food जो digestion नहीं हुआ है that flows from the small intestine to the large intestine and is given up by the undigested food is given up by the cow in the form of excretion or feces. जो गोबर है that is we call the excreta of the cow. And in large intestine, as we have seen in case of human beings also, the water is absorbed in the large intestine. Okay, so in case of cow also, the water which it takes, its absorption occurs in the large intestine, और जो eliminate the undigested food as feces. जो खाना वो हजम नहीं होता है या जो that is not required by our body, it is given out in the form of feces or excretory products. Okay, so this much was the our discussion about the nutrition in ruminants. So students, I hope you have completely understood the digestion in ruminants. This chapter ends here. We have successfully completed all the topics of the chapter. Okay, next part will be the question answers of the exercises. I will give you in the form of notes in your copy. Okay, so I think everyone is doing fine and study is going on very well. So continue your studies, stay home, stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you.